Letters from the past. The life goal and purpose of all living beings is to shape reality. Boredom as such does not exist. Boredom is simply a constant and insatiable thirst to shape reality. Appraisals based on comparison generate polarization. Balancing forces eliminate polarization by means of clashing opposites. An object or quality which is attributed special significance attracts objects with the opposite qualities. The pendulum's rule is do as I do. The transurfing rule is give yourself permission to be yourself and allow others to do the same. The transurfing rule eliminates polarization. Awareness. In this moment, I am awake and am clearly aware of what I am doing, why, and why in this manner specifically. The first law of the pendulum. It tries to exacerbate the energy of conflict. The second law of the pendulum. It does everything possible to stabilize the structure. Pendulums coordinate the existence of organized structures. The enslavement of will, intention. The structure teaches people what they should want. In order to free yourself of the zombifying effect of the structure, you must adopt the role of the participating spectator. The process of achieving the goal is what drives evolution. The individual loses themselves in the structure, ceasing to understand who they are and what they really are. Dependence arises due to the fact that the arrow of attention falls into the pendulum's noose. To come off the needle, you have to switch your attention and occupy it, your mind, with something else, changing the scripts and scenery. The charisma of a particular epoch is drawn in by the intention of a group of people, like a cloud from the alternative space. Whenever you receive any energy credit, announce your declaration of intention. It is impossible to beat a pendulum. You have to either abandon the dangerous game altogether or create your own venture and become one of its favorites. In order to create your own game, you have to give yourself permission to be yourself.